welcome to my channel Priyafly. I hope you guys are doing great, and yes, waiting for the interview. So I have already updated you people that soon I'm going to come out with the good news for you male candidate actually. So this video is all about male hiring. So yes, Air India is going to hire male candidates only for the 2026. I'm also going to help you out how to fill up the form and what action they will take after you, once you will fill the form, and what is going to happen with you people after filling the forms. I am going to help you with that also. Please do not skip any part, it will going to help you a lot. One time watch video है, it will guide you like for the whole time. एक बार देखोगे लंबा टाइम तक आपको समझ में आएगी चीजें. So first I will start with they updated the vacancies on 23rd of December, and I'm making this video on 23rd of December, going to upload it on 24th of December obviously, and it is only for males. So for the male there are such eligibilities which you have to fulfill, and you have to check out that are you eligible or not to apply for this form, because if you are not eligible there's no there's no need to apply for the vacancies, because it's just a waste of time. So first I'm going to start with the age criteria. Your age criteria should be between 18 to 27. Like if you are 18, above 18 and under 27, you are eligible for this interview. First criteria is clear, I hope it's related to age. Second is your qualification. So qualification should be 12th pass out. It is for every airline until and unless you are not going for international airline. 12th pass out will work fine. Okay. Third point is yes, 50% marks in the 12th board. So if you have secured 50% in your 12th board, you are eligible, and if you haven't secured 50%, you are not eligible. But still there are candidates who is working with airline, even they have 45% also. So it depends how your personality works, how the way you talk, the way you communicate with that HR, the way you have the aura of that, like हाँ लेके लगे कि हाँ you can be a crew, you can be on board. So definitely they are going to give you a chance even if you have less than 50%. So I'm not going to demotivate you people that if you haven't secured 50% in your 12th board, don't apply for it. I am not going to say it. So just apply even if you have 40%, 45%, it does not matter. Let's see what they are going to do with your application. Okay, so उसके बाद next है आपकी criteria height. So your height criteria is 170 centimeter. So if you have 170 centimeter height, you are eligible. So I'm going to ask you people that just check the height of yours. If it is 169 point something, like still they consider people, and 170 above, then it's fine for them. Okay, so after the age and weight, your BMI should be in their terms, like it should be under the eligibility, like 18 to 25. If your BMI is 18 to 25, then you are fit for this interview actually, and they are going to send you for the next and next round. But if your BMI is 17, suppose, it means you are underweight. If your BMI is 26, it means you are overweight. So whether they are going to give you a chance for 1 or 2 months that go and just do some dieting and then come, or if you are underweight, they will ask you to go and gain some weight and then come for the interview. Maybe sometimes they give different email IDs to contact me, like just contact me on this email ID after you will gain the weight, or you will like lose the weight, and then we will contact you. So sometimes they do this scenario also. So just keep maintaining your weight, and it is also good for your health if you're maintaining your BMI, which is actually mandatory for we people, either it is girl or boys. Okay, so BMI should be 18 to 25. Next is no tattoos and no scars. If you are wearing the uniform, if you they are having the full sleeve of shirt, so your tattoo should not be from here or here. It should be like under the elbows, it is fine. Gale ke andar hai, it is fine. But if it is like showing while you are wearing your uniform, then it will create a problem, because they are going to check your whole neck, your like your back. They're going to check your this also, cause sometimes you're going to fold your sleeves and it will show your tattoos, and also it may create a problem. So obviously they're going to check from elbow to your hands, like if you have any tattoos. So just be careful with that also. And they are not that strict related to tattoos in Air India, but still, yeah, if it is so much visible, or you have a long tattoos in your hands and like as a tattoo, so they are going to reject you people. So just be careful with that also. ठीक है. Next is your eyesight. your आँखों का जो power है वो 6/6 होनी चाहिए. It is mandatory. If you have 6/6 vision, they are going to select you for that, because they have a very like tough eye checkup. color blindness, everything they are going to check for you. So just be careful with that also. If you have all this thing, then hit the apply button. For the application, how to fill the form, I'm going to show you through the help of screen share. Do not miss the video, because this video is going to be a little lengthy, but it is going to help you. Now I'm going to show you how to fill the form, how to fill the application in detail. So stay tuned and do not miss the screen share, and just follow the steps. After that, do let me know that if you have any kind of problem, just let me know in the comment section.
ये है आपका इंटरफेस, जो कि मैं लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दी हूँ। यहाँ पे आपको सारी चीज़ें डिटेल से मिल जाएगी। नीचे आपको दिख रहे होंगे अप्लाई नाउ का ऑप्शन है, आपको उस पर क्लिक करनी है। उसके बाद आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है कि अगर आपका अकाउंट ऑलरेडी है तो आप ईमेल और पासवर्ड डालेंगे, अगर नहीं है तो आपको क्रिएट एन अकाउंट करनी है, ठीक है। सो क्रिएट एन अकाउंट करने के लिए आपको तो सबसे पहले अपनी ईमेल आईडी डालनी है, जो जेन्युइन ईमेल आईडी है, जिस पे ओटीपी आती हो, ये सब आती हो, वही ईमेल डालनी है, ठीक है। फिर उस ईमेल आईडी को रीटाइप करनी है, फिर आपको अपने तरफ से एक पासवर्ड सेट कर लेनी है। पासवर्ड जब क्रिएट हो जाएगी तो फिर आपको वहाँ पर आराम से साइन इन करनी है, जो कि नॉर्मल लॉगिन करते हैं। तो मैं अभी नॉर्मल लॉगिन करके दिखाऊंगी कि जब अकाउंट बनने के बाद में किस तरीके से लॉगिन के ऑप्शंस आते हैं। अब हम डालेंगे ईमेल एड्रेस, क्योंकि मेरा ईमेल एड्रेस ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे सेव है, तो फिर मुझे बार बार यहाँ पे लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, तो ऑटो सेव है। मैं अपना ईमेल एड्रेस यहाँ पे डाल रही हूँ, पासवर्ड उसने ले लिया। अब यहाँ पे ओके करेंगे और तो फिर यहाँ फॉर्म फिल ओपन हो जाएगी। तो आपको दिखेगा जैसे कि ट्रेनी कैबिन क्रू, इस तरह से कुछ अलग अलग नंबर आएंगे हर कैंडिडेट के लिए, ठीक है। उसके बाद में यहाँ पे आपको नीचे स्क्रॉल करनी है, तो आपको ऐसे ब्लू बॉक्सेस दिखेंगे। अगर फिल करनी है, सारे मैंडेटरी नहीं है, तो मैं सबसे पहला जो आपका ऑप्शन है यहाँ पे माई डॉक्यूमेंट में आपको बताती हूँ क्या करनी है। तो सबसे पहले तो आपको अपने रिज्यूमे अपलोड करनी है। एक चीज़ का खास ख्याल रखना है आपको, दैट इफ़ they have given the asterisk mark with red color, it means it is important, otherwise it is not important. For example, for the cover letter they haven't given any kind of red mark, it means it's not that important, so you can skip the part. You just need to upload the resume. Then we will go for the current passport. If it is if you have it, you can upload it, otherwise just leave it. Then next option is profile information. You have to give your name for before the name you have to give your solution, that means you are Mr. or whatever, you have to just select that item, ठीक है। then you have to write your first name, then if you have any kind of middle name, then your last name, then your gender. Then because the form fill up process are same for everyone, either it is for girl or boys, so you have to just go with the flow, like you are a boy, so you have to write it accordingly. And for the girl who will fill the form for in future, for the girl female candidate, so they can also do the same process, cause process are same, nothing is different here. And then you have to write the martial status, then are you specially abled or not, yes or no, email address, then your date of birth, then your mobile number, then alternate mobile number, alternate phone number, then your permanent address to here you can see there's a red mark again in front of country, state, district, postal code. So these are the important. And after this you have to click on the previous employment. So if you do have any kind of such experiences for, earlier, so you can just add the notice period form also, if you have such forms, or if you have a relevance letter or something like that, if you have related to that, you can just add it. Otherwise you can skip the part. Even if you are experienced person, you can skip the part if you don't want to apply for it. Then as you can see here, educational and professional qualification, highest to lowest. So you have to check the red mark. If it is a red mark, then you have to write it accordingly. First, qualification type, it means qualification type like graduate or 12th pass or 10th pass. Then you have to write name of the degree, specialization, mode of education. This is actually especially for the graduate people who have done their graduations, and they can write these things. For the 12th pass out candidate, I know that you don't have to write all these things, but still you have to write like आपने हाई सेकेंडरी की है, डिग्री का क्या लेके डिग्री किया है, उसमें स्पेशलाइजेशन क्या थी, जस्ट लिखनी है। फिर आपको नाइट नेम ऑफ स्कूल, रोल नंबर, रजिस्ट्रेशन, लोकेशन, everything you have to write here because they are asking for it. And then you have to mention the grade also. Then you can click on the add option also if you want to add more qualification, otherwise just leave it. Okay, next we will go to the job specification information. So for the job specific information, wherever they have given the red mark, you have to click on it, like weight, height, nationality, preferred interview location. They do not have any kind of star mark, it means you can just ignore. Then current work location, if you are working somewhere, if you are not working anywhere, just write the NA. Then work of experience, if you are a fresher, just write the 0. Passport number, if you have, then write, otherwise just leave the space. Passport issue date, if they haven't mentioned the red mark, it means it is also not important. Then how did you come to know about the vacancy, source description, like from where you came to know about the vacancy, so you have to write all this thing. If someone referred you, just give their name or their ID. Then what's the relation with that referral person, you can just write there. Have you ever been arrested, no, it here. And then then you have to ignore these boxes, it's not important for you. Then are you currently serving a training agreement or bond with your organization, so just write no, because if you are on notice period, you were working earlier in any such companies and you are on a notice period, so you can just write it here. Or if you do not have any kind of bond or something, just write no. Okay, your current total CTC, if you have, then write it, otherwise just write the 0. Then have you been interviewed by Air India, yes or no, date of interview, when you have given the interview, what was the role for the interview, everything you have to write here. Then do you know anyone in personal professional professional capacity at Air India. So if you know someone who is working at Air India, just write yes or no. If yes, full name mention करो, designation और उसका employee का mention करो, then you have to click I hereby, and you have to click the apply option. Either you can click the save option or apply option, whatever it is required. But after saving the profile, click apply, because for this you have to click the apply. And you can save first, because sometimes they do have kind of glitches, because of that glitches you were unable to save the profile, and you have to start from the zero again. That's why they ask you people to go for the save option, then apply. So I hope this form application is clear for you people.
This is it. I hope it will help you. I hope screen shared portion helped you a lot while filling up the form. Still, if you have any kind of like doubts, do let me know in the comment section. And also, if you have a friends who with whom you can share the vacancies, who is in need of vacancy, whom you find that yeah, he is very what I can say, that he is very fit to be a crew. So in your group, he is a boy, and he is a very fit to be a crew. He is very fit to be on board. So just share this video to them also, so that he will apply, or he will just earn the roti and enjoy his life also. So do subscribe my channel for further updates, and do let me know in the comment section if you have any kind of issues while filling up the form. Thanks for watching.